Measure my tool height. Tony hooked it up with the fixture so I don't cut into my jaws. And there's the part. Nice and thick. Don't mess it up. There's the setup for that action. Some Star Wars stuff. Got my numbers punched in there. 13 inches, 5.5. Probing. It's a special fixture as well. Tony lent me these jaws. That way I don't tear these bad boys up. But speaking to that guy's talking to him. At the starting point, you will no longer see that material. Oh! There's some Haagen-Dazs. Making some hair, getting hairy in there. See that smoke? That's awesome. Vapor.